Every year, public aid programs lose impact, not because of corruption alone, but because unfair distribution and duplicate beneficiaries go undetected for too long. Today, governments and NGOs rely on manual SQL scripts and custom dashboards to monitor fairness. The same checks are rebuilt again and again, wasting time, delaying action, and excluding the very people these programs are meant to help. FairAid Guardian is an install-in-minutes Snowflake Native App that automatically detects unfair distribution and aid leakage and explains the risks using AI. Here comes our project demo video. This dashboard gives decision-makers an instant view of program health, total aid, beneficiaries reached, and detected anomalies. Regions with abnormal allocation stand out immediately. When a region is selected, FairAid Guardian uses Snowflake Cortex to generate a plain language explanation. The AI works only on aggregated data, keeping beneficiary information private and secure. The app also flags duplicate beneficiaries and abnormal payouts, turning hidden leakage into visible, actionable insight. FairAid Guardian runs entirely inside Snowflake. It works through configuration, not code changes, and can be reused across programs and accounts. By freeing teams from rebuilding scripts, FairAid Guardian helps aid reach the right people, fairly, transparently, and on time. That is AI for good, built for real-world impact.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate